Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate sheet in Microsoft Excel. So I'm just going to show you how you can create a copy of your already sheet that you have in Microsoft Excel. Right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here, right? So in our previous tutorial, I show you how you can create a sheet, just a random sheet, a new sheet, right? So in this one, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a sheet. Let's say you have this. In this sheet right here, we have our estimation, right? A simple estimation. So let's say you wanted to create a duplicate of this or a copy of this sheet. So what you can do is come to the sheet right here down here, and then just right click on your sheet, and then you can click on move or copy, right? Click on that, and then this tab should be opening up. So click on create a copy right there, and then just click on OK, right? And then as you can see, you have sheet 1, which is a copy. You have sheet 1, this is the original one, and then you have sheet 1 2, which is a copy of your original one. So you have duplicated, you created a duplicate of your original. So that's how you can create a copy. So yeah, that's it. It's very simple and easy and fast. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was the first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.